Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have PopSugar Winter Seasonal Box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my PopSugar just arrived. This is my winter box. Now with this subscription, I did purchase a year subscription. I think this is my third box now. So I think I have one more left. And to be quite honest, I'm probably not going to renew. This is the most, I think, expensive box that I have, even though it is seasonal. But I don't know, we'll see. If my next two boxes like wow me, then maybe I will resubscribe. So we'll have to see what happens when we get next season to know. But winter just arrived and I'm actually really excited to see what's in here. I'm hoping it's going to be good, but we shall see. Let's go ahead and get in here and see. All right, now that I've pulled the tab. Happiness delivered, PopSugar. And when you open it up, that's what it looks like. This stuff just kept coming. That's what it looks like. Here we go. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Let's see what we have. And then at the end, I'll tell you about this company if you want to know a little bit more about them. So they do give you this little booklet right here that goes over the pricing. I think the pricing is in here. I believe so. Let's see. Yes, the pricing is in here. So let's go ahead and see what we have. The first thing that fell out was our cards are printed in the USA. Each set is assembled by hand in our Florida studio. Whoa, this is in my state. So this looks like this would be maybe some type of a blank. It looks like it says blank cards and envelopes. Mercy. I'm not sure, but here are a set of paper greeting cards, and it looks like there's 8 cards and 8 envelopes inside, and they all are gonna look like that right there. Suggested retail value for this set of 8 cards. Can you guess? Anybody? Will you guess? What do you think this is valued at? 8 little lonely blank greeting cards with envelopes. Did anybody come near $18? I'm sure you didn't, because there's no way in hell I would value a little 8-pack of cards for $18. $8.99 at the very, very most, but $18, no. $18, there's no way. You can get like a 24-pack for like $10. So I don't know. I think they're a little overpriced on their pricing, to be quite honest with you. But here's the first item valued at $18. We're probably gonna have a huge value at the end, but overrated value is what I'm gonna say. But we're only at the first item, so I don't want to jump the gun just yet. Now it looks like we got this right here, which is a fast bar nutrition bar, and this says fast bar by L Nutra, and this is valued at $3. And is it just a bar that's inside? Yes. So it's just one bar like this that's inside. And it's 240 calories for this one bar. So there's that. Now, the third item that was on top that fell out was this Kevin, is it Aquan? I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Neo Blush in Rose Cliff. So here's the packaging. And this is valued at $38. I hear this brand is really expensive, like a higher end brand. I got one time from a mystery box a all over kind of like a glow shimmer, kind of like a highlighter kind of. And I was told by you guys that it's an expensive brand, but yet some of you guys said you can find it at TJ Maxx as well. So Here is the outside. This is Rose Cliff. This is a blush. And there's that. I like that it goes to different colors. So if you want it to be a little bit darker, you can go to the darker tone. If you want it to be a little more subtle, then you can go to the lighter tone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this product, if I'm going to end up keeping it or not, but this is valued at $38 for just this blush. So there's that. So now the next thing right here is in this little bag. I think this was the jewelry item that we could customize or choose between the two. When it came to the jewelry, there was 2 different styles, and I think I chose the one that was silver because I don't care for yellow gold. So yes, I got the silver one. There's a little paper in here that tells you how to care for the item, and it says that this is valued anywhere from $60 to $80 depending on the selection of jewelry. I really wish it would have given us a value of each one so we know if this is the 60 or if this is the 80. So I guess I'm gonna have to go maybe to their website to find out which one this is so I can get the total value at the end for you guys and have it accurate. This is adjustable. And hold on, why are you turning? Okay, so there's just like these little there's a little gems in there. They're like different colors, kind of like the colors of the rainbow that's inside of that medallion. This is a small rainbow hues silver medallion pendant necklace. Or, so you could have got that one that I did get, or you could have got this one right here, which was a yellow gold, which I know I will never wear anything that's yellow gold. So I chose this one, but it's really not my style. So I'll probably just stick this in my donation pile to donate to the women's shelter because maybe somebody there would enjoy it. But there's a necklace valued either $60 or $80. It just doesn't look like it would even cost either one of them, to be honest. Just being honest. Okay, so now the next item in here. Ooh, what in the world is this guy? Let's see. What are we getting ourselves into here? This looks like maybe a travel bag. It says Hudson Bleecker round travel case. Whether you're headed to a weekend getaway or a long trip, this vegan leather travel case will keep your toiletries organized. So this is a vegan leather. When you open it up, you have a little pocket up here, and it says, "Thanks, we hope you enjoy." And then down in the bottom is this roundabout. So you have like a round smaller thing that comes out, or you could just leave it all the way open. I don't know, I'm well, whatever. I didn't design the thing. I think it's really cool if like these were separate pieces, but this is a vegan leather and this is valued at $48. And when I travel, I wouldn't really need this. So maybe this should go to the women's shelter because they can maybe keep their own stuff in a little thing when they get ready in the morning. I'm not sure how it works there, but I don't know. Here's this item right here. And again, this is the Hudson Bleecker toiletry vegan leather bag. I do like that it's all black because then it goes with anything, and it's sleek and it has a little handle. You can hold it. I mean, it's a really cool design. It's just not something that I really need to use. So I'd rather just pass it down to somebody who would use it. So there's that. And then there's this guy. So this is MS Skincare Body Oil. This uplifting oil blend is warm and energizing. It's also great to use when you're tired and want to feel invigorating. Ooh. To use, massage the oil into the skin with long circular strokes. Massage it into the skin with long circular strokes. For best results, apply to damp skin directly after bathing or pour a small amount into a warm bath. This is valued at $68. This is almost the cost of this entire box. So this is energizing, rejuvenating, invigorating body oil. That's a big bottle. That is a very good sized bottle for body oils. And then it has that little pump style, pump it up. So there's that guy right there. Long circular strokes. Okay, so now we have this box. I don't know what this is. Let's take a peek. Care instructions. So this looks like it says it is a rectangle dish tray. We call this the anything dish because it's so versatile. Use it for serving yummy snacks, as decor on your coffee table, or to store pencils on your desk. This trendy black and white design makes this a glam accent fit for any room. This piece is handmade by artisans using an ancient technique of sand casting. We love that it is made of recycled materials. Suggested retail value $69 for this little dish. It's kind of cool that it's actually like silver on the outside. I mean, I think that's really cool. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use it for. I mean, worst case scenario, I could always toss it in my drawer and put paper clips or something like that in there. I have no clue, but you can use this for anything. I think it's really neat with the black and white design. I do like that. On the picture here, it has it like with two little cookies going on. So you can pretty much use this for anything. So I actually like that. I will find some form of a use for this guy. So, okay, so now it looks like here's another item here. Okay, when I first picked up the box, I thought I was hearing things and I thought maybe my stomach moved and I heard it from my stomach. I wasn't quite sure because I heard like a bloop, like, you know, like water, liquid. That's what I was hearing. So I wasn't crazy. Thank goodness. I didn't think so, but you know, sometimes it's like, did I hear that? So this is a diffuser. Let me go to the page so I can tell you what the price is of this. Okay, so this is a diffuser, and I actually had a diffuser from another box and it just like ended. I just had to throw it out because there was nothing left in there. So let's see. This is valued at $48. Holy moly. Fill your space with lasting fragrance. This diffuser will keep your room smelling fresh for 3 to 4 months. I'm trying to carefully open this because I don't want to mess. Hurry, 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 hurry. It's almost there. Ooh, that smells nice and refreshing. So I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. That does smell really good. $48. I'm just going to tell you guys right now, I would not pay $48 for a diffuser like this because it's just oil that's going to evaporate. But here is the thing full of oil, and you take these little sticks here and you stick them in the hole. And you just set it like that, and the oil goes up through the snicks. No, they're not snicks. They're sticks. Oh. The oil goes up through the snicks and smells, the aroma comes out of the snicks. These sticks will be smelling good in no time. So there's that. Again, $48 is expensive for this, but it smells really good. So I'm actually really excited to now put this in my bathroom. Is there anything, because sometimes they'll put stuff underneath, like the bottom, as free little gifts. I thought that was this box, but there's nothing in there. So that is everything that came in the winter box, you guys. Again, we got this, I don't want a paper cut on my forehead, but we got this little case here. We got this bar. We got the thank you cards, or Mercé. Oh. We have this necklace. We have the face oil. We have the diffuser. That smells really good. We have the blush and this little trinket dish. I'm gonna call it a trinket dish. So definitely this is my favorite one so far, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what did you think of this winter seasonal box. The only thing is this one is $75 per season with free shipping. You can use my link down below. That link will get you $20 off your first box, making it only $55. So if you wanted to try out one season, save the $20, get it for $55, and then it would probably definitely be worth it to you. So this seasonal box is valued at $300 or more each season, and each season we pay $75, or if you use my link, your first box would be $55. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty Crew, out.